Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This one is the 3M dual cartridge respirator assembly organic vapor P95. This is the large. So I purchased this just mainly for like a spray paint because when I do the spray paint last time with the patio set outside, and it was kind of getting into my nose, and the chemicals pretty bad for your health. So that's why I got this. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So I got this out of eBay for only $17.46, and there were only a couple left. So by the time I finish purchasing and go back and check it out, they were also out. They have so many different variety of different prices from different sellers. Some of them are like going like crazy, like $36.87, or even like $51.82. So I think I got a pretty awesome deal. So let's go ahead and cut this open and see what's inside. So wow, it is a factory seal. So it says 3M dual cartridge disposable respirator organic vapor P95 assembly 07193 large grande. So it's if you're a painter, it is pretty good to wear this, so you don't get like a suffocation and chemical to your lungs. So it says a storage bag now included. Wow, that's pretty awesome, eh? NASCAR performance. Here is the barcode just in case you guys need it. See, it says this respirator helps protect against certain airborne contaminants. Misuse may result in sickness or death. What? Probably like a suffocation or something like that. If it's so some of this are mumbo jumbo. You gotta read it. So I guess this size in Spanish. And other languages. Alright, let's open this up. Oh my god, so tight. What the? So I need to assemble, I guess. It's for your. So this is like a soft rubber material right here, which is nice. Some of them might be hard. So this is a pretty cushion. And this one, the strap go on top of your head. And then this one wrap around on the back of your head. Okay, this is on the top. $3M. So here are the pads, mask side, so it's like a protective rubber right here. So I guess this is gonna face the mask side. It's gonna be like this. And then you just put this clear cap on there. If I could get it on. All right, there you go. I don't think it matters which side goes with what, but if one side doesn't fit, then try it on the other side, I guess. All right, so make sure it is flush. So it won't let other chemical go in there. And then you could do this for the adjustment, which is pretty easy. Just pull. When you want, you can make it loose. You just lift up this tab and just pull back. This is a clear tab. Just lift it up. And you want to make it tighter, just pull it or tug it. Same goes on the bottom here. And then this is just a hook, easy to release. So you wear this on the back of your head and then strap it up. And then this one is on top of your head. Okay? Well, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for the notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace. So this is supposed to be on the neck, not on the head. My bad. So this is the one that's on top. Let's see the head. And this is the hook.